Types of speed. Number one, average speed. Number two, uniform speed. Number three, non-uniform speed. Number four, instantaneous. Instantaneous speed. Instantaneous. Number one, average speed. Number two, uniform speed. Number three, non-uniform speed. Number four, instantaneous speed. Number one, average speed. Average speed. The average speed, it is the ratio between total time divided to the total time taken. It is the ratio between total distance to the total time taken. For example, if a person is moved between A to B, then A to C. Here it travels a distance x1, in the next portion x2, the times are t1 and t2. Then average speed is equal to total distance upon total time is equal to x1 plus x2 upon t1 plus t2. If the total time is not given, then we first calculate the total time. For example, a car is moving between the two sections A, B and C. Here the velocities are v1 and v2 and the distances are given equal. Then let time be t1 and t2. Now we first calculate the time. We know that time is equal to distance upon velocity. Distance x, velocity v1, this is the time t1. A to B, B to C, t2, x upon v2, t is equal to t1 plus t2. T is equal to t1 plus t2 is equal to x upon v1 plus x upon v2. Now we take x common in bracket 1 upon v1 plus 1 upon v2. Now the average speed became total distance upon total time. Distance x plus x, total time is t. This is 2x upon x upon v1 plus x upon v2. 2x, x common, 1 upon v1 plus 1 upon v2. X cancel out, taking v1 v2 LCM. Here is v2 plus v1 or 2 v1 v2 upon v1 plus v2. This is the average speed. If in any question the two velocities are given and we want to calculate the average speed, then the formula is 2 v1 v2 upon v1 plus v2. But this formula is used only in 1 marks question. If the question comes for 2 or 3 marks, then we do the whole the procedure. Now the second is uniform speed. If a body cover equal distance in equal interval of time, then the speed is known as uniform speed. If a body cover equal distance in equal time, then the speed is known as uniform speed. For example, we have the two sections A, B and C. Two sections A, B and C. Here the distances are xx and time is tt. Then uniform speed in AB is x upon t, in BC x upon t, because in AB and BC speed are same, so it is known as uniform. If a body cover equal distance in equal time, then the speed is known as uniform speed. Here I take an example of two sections AB and BC where the distances are equal xx and time are tt. We first calculate the speed in AB, which is x upon t, in BC, which is x upon t. Because the speed in both AB and BC are same, so we said the speed is uniform. So it is known as uniform speed.